What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, baby number 4 from Mpumelelo. This is a big announcement, that is coming in, and it has left the entire nation buzzing. And Mpumelelo has revealed that he and his partner are actually expecting a fourth child. So, the news has really come as a surprise to me, because Mpumelelo had previously stated that he wanted to step back from expanding his family. But this announcement, has raised like eyebrows, especially given the ongoing drama within the Mseleko family and the complexities of polygamous life. So, Mpumelelo is going down that route of his own father, of the polygamous family route. So, as Mpumelelo expands his family more and more, there is not going to be enough space for him and his wives and children to continue staying at Mzumbe. So I see him leaving that area sometime soon. Obviously, it's going to be a sad turn of events, but for now, we have to focus on the good news that we have right now. Mpumelelo is expecting the fourth child. This is great news, and congratulations to Mpumelelo. Tell me in the comment section and congratulate Mpumelelo.